Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your Apple ID birthday on iPhone. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. So in order to change your Apple ID birthday on iPhone, first you want to go on your setting. So click on setting of your iPhone. Now once you're inside your setting, at the top you can see the name called Richie Kevin. In your phone, it's going to display your Apple ID name. So you want to click on your Apple ID name. Now once you're over here, the first option where it says name, phone number, email, click on that. And after you click on that, once you're in this page, you can see the option called date of birth. So that's basically what your birthday is, because the day you're born is your birthday. So click on date of birth, and over here you can choose whatever date you want. So let's say my current date of birth is January 1000. So I will change it to February 1. Just like this, I have changed it. Once you change your date of birth, you can click on done at the top right. Once you click on done, as you guys can see, my date of birth, also known as my birthday, has changed on my iPhone. Now I can just go back and my date of birth should be changed on my iPhone. That's how simple it is. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for more iOS related videos just like this. I will see you guys in my future video. Until next time, bye bye and have a nice day everybody.